What's up guys, my name's Stone Lane. I'm a freshman at Western Colorado University. I live in Dolores Hall in the Escalante complex, and I'm gonna give you a tour of my dorm. Let's go. What's up guys, we're on 3rd floor Dolores. I'm room 304, come check out my dorm. On this side, this is my side of the room. Got all my posters here. Favorite one has to be this painted photo of me skiing a few years back. Skiing at Mount Hood is pretty cool. Down below me, I've got a hamper, my toiletries, and a shoe rack that was gifted to me by a friend. It's a great setup. And on my left side here, I have a nightstand that I got entirely from Free Cycle for free. And it houses a ton of loose knickknacks like Cards Against Humanity, my water bottles, Xbox controllers, and even a first aid kit. And on this side, me and my roommate kind of have a more unconventional setup. We took the top of our desks off and put them on the ground to add extra storage. I use mine to store my Legos and DJ board, my monitor and Xbox, and my awesome Walmart plants. But what's really cool about our room is me and my roommate are both sponsored skiers. We compete here on the freeride team, and that means we have a lot of gear. That little nook fits about 7 pairs of skis-ish and all of our poles. Up above me, you have some of our gear, my Abby bag, and even on this side, we have our outerwear and boot storage. Right behind me though, every single dorm in Escalante has these dressers. If I open it up here, it fits about 20-ish hoodies, or at least my size of hoodies. Below it, I put my shirts. Down here, I have all my pants folded up. And right here, I have all my pajamas. On the outside, I use command hooks to hang all of my hats and my towel in my bathroom. So it's a pretty sweet setup. And over here, we have our little kitchenette. It actually consists of the bottom part of my desk, a fridge, a water heater, a Brita, food storage, and a microwave. Kind of all the essentials we need for dorm life. And this is my roommate's side of the room. We actually do the same thing. We separate the top half and the bottom half of our desks. He uses his desk for studying, sewing, and sticker making, and the top half to hold his Xbox, monitor, and a ton of extra storage space. All right, so that was the room. Just a few quick things. On every floor, your RA lives right down the hall. They're always amazing people, and they'll help you out with anything you need. And on each floor, there's 4 bathrooms. They vary between men's, women's, and gender neutral. And here's a men's bathroom right now. In each bathroom, you'll have a shower and a toilet for 2 stalls and then 2 sinks that are shared between everyone. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me to the end of the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to Western for future updates. And I hope to see you next semester. Peace.